Hi, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can add custom or cool fonts like this one to your Webflow website. First, you need to go into your Webflow workspace and choose the website that you want to add the fonts to. Go to the settings, then scroll down to fonts, and then up here you're gonna pick up the fonts upload button where you can add the font. You can download the fonts from different websites like Google Fonts, FontSpace, 1001 Fonts, The Font, Behance, and other, where they are not under commercial law. So the font that I use here is from Google Fonts, and I uploaded it here with another one which is Noto Sans. And by clicking the upload, go to your fonts folder and you upload the file that they need here, which is, as they say, TTF, OTF, or EOT, or other familiar formats. Then you save the changes, publish your website, and start testing your fonts on the website. An extra step, if you want to use that same font also on your system, for example in Figma or any other tool that actually can use different fonts, you have to go in the folder where you have unzipped the full font family and choose the type of font that you want to install. Click on it, double click, and then whatever your machine is, Windows or iOS, just click install, and then restart your program, for example Figma, and then you can already see that font included within the list of fonts. I hope you find this helpful, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and if you need any help, you can always reach out. Thank you so much for watching, and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. And also thank you for your support and sharing my videos with other people. And if you like this video, make sure to leave a like, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.